he subcontracted with him. I don't know.
For one room.
One room of somewhere, maybe the end one. That's what it is. He doesn't move. They just give up their tenancy last year, May, I think. So he's supposed to be leaving. That's what he agrees, but he disappeared. He just remained here with fighting with the court. He doesn't really go. He didn't pay the penny. He's a troublemaker. That's all I know. And I don't know his name, what full name, I don't know part of his name.
Yeah,
only
I know that in New York City, anybody lives over 30 days, you have to go through the court system.
You know, they're in
You
court.
guys have it.
Yeah, so
They
we are
were
in
this
court
morning.
right now.
So there's
word of
active
mouth.
litigation ongoing, right? So it's, and so, and,
We were just in court. Everybody was in court this morning.
so, well, she was in court. We were not in court. We attended the court, but we were not party to it. So
That's what
So anyway, they've got ongoing litigation that's in the commercial part right now. And so because it's technically a commercial unit. Right? So the only issue that they have right now is that she has granted use and technically occupancy, but not like residential occupancy, to him to work in the space, not in the room that he's supposed to be in, but in the rest of the space.
Okay.
He is denying him access to the space for the benefit of his work. He doesn't have any legal authority to restrict access or use in the space, and he's not entitled to documentation of any particular kind, but she has granted him use and occupancy to work, and she's not telling him. Their litigation will determine what his outcome is. She's not saying that he can't be in his part of it until the judge says different. He's just saying that he needs.
I don't want to be in his part. He's a big guy.
He just wants to use the rest of it while he's using his part.
Is this apartment you have like rent the whole?
When I rented the unit, it was not like this. So over the time,
Unit, okay.
yeah, over the time they came and
he
make
can
modification.
come here, do the work. He
Yeah.
can come here because you know,
I would like to speak to you separately because I don't want anybody to interrupt. I need you to understand what I'm saying. So let's step aside. Let's step aside so we could talk, not be interrupted. Yeah.
He's a nice guy. He's a nice guy.
No, I'm waiting for your partner to come over.
He's a nice guy. He's not violent enough.
Let's step aside. So here's the issue. Okay? You just came, two guys claim, okay, she's the owner. I'm telling you, based on the document I show you, I speak to management. If there was a specific owner, send me the name, the information, so everybody on the same page. But the goal here is to not put anybody's names on documents. She just said to you she was the owner. She said her name. She did not present any documentations.
so who's coming?
No, the lady. The lady claimed she was Soo Lee. Neighbors claim Soo Lee is the man. That's Mr. Lee, not Mrs. Lee. She never presented no documentation. Now, the other guy come, this is a problem I be having, they messed up the boiler. I had to pay $800 to repair it. The goal here is to illegally evict me. This is why you see everything is going on. I could show you the video before after. This is not how the place used to look like. If someone come in the unit, you have to identify yourself.
But she's also mentioning that somebody came here to fix the electricity and he did not.
No. The man came and telling me that he rented the place, he have the key. They never stated he came to fix anything.
So right
now it's good they know that now he claimed he came to fix. If you come to fix, by law you have to send me a notification. Hey, Mr. Baptiste, are you available on Wednesday? I should have 10 p.m. available. I'm coming here to fix this and that. I need your name. In case if what you do is, if you make things worse, I have a legal documentation that you came here on that day and you did the specific work that you claim that you was doing. The goal here is to have no documentations. If something happened, the boiler or anything else is not working, and I'll go complain, call HPD, and then they're going to use the argument, oh, but you know what, this is residential. You're not supposed to have that there at the first place. So the goal here is to remove any conditions that the unit is residential, the same way they did, because they write this on the wall. The same guys you just spoke to is the one that do that. So the goal here is to not provide any documentation. If something happened,